Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to study English of Standard 2, lesson number 3. And what's the name? It's the Friends. The the Friends. Now, what are friends? What do you mean by friend? Friend is the person in your life from whom you can share your good thing, your bad thing, your happiness, your cries, your sorrows. Friend is the most important person of our life. फ्रेंड क्या होता है हमारी लाइफ का बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन बिकॉज फ्रेंड इज द पर्सन टू हुम अगर हमको कोई चीज अपना शेयर करना है तो हम उसको बता सकते हैं एंड दे कैन ऑल्सो टेल his good thing, his bad thing to us. Friendship is the very good thing. But friendship should be true. फ्रेंडशिप गुड होनी चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट लाई टू योर फ्रेंड. आपको कभी भी अपने फ्रेंड से झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू से lie to your friend, so that will not be very good. Now in our lesson, the name of the lesson is the Friends. The name of the lesson is the Friends. First we'll read the spelling, then we'll begin. The, Friends. Here is the story about two friends. Here is the story about two friends. And the name of the two friends is Nitin, and the second one of the friend is Rahul. One is Nitin and second one is Rahul. The name of one friend is Nitn, Nitin, and the second one is Rahul. Now, the two friends, they used to live very happily together in a village. Where they used to live in a village. They both used to live in a village very happily. वो दोनों village में बहुत अच्छे से और खुशी से live करते थे. One day what happened? They both decided, उन दोनों ने decide करा, let's go for a hiking. Let's both of us together go on a hiking. So first we'll write the spelling of hiking and then I'll let you know. Hiking. What they planned? They both planned to go on a hiking. They planned. Plan means to decide something. PLANNED. प्लान मतलब किसी चीज को डिसाइड कर लेने का कि हम ये वर्क करेंगे. सो दे बोथ डिसाइडेड टू गो ऑन अ हाइकिंग. हाइकिंग मीन्स गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग वॉक. जैसे कभी होता है कि हम शाम को प्ले करने जाते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फिर क्या होता है कि चलो थोड़ा वॉक करके आते हैं. दे बोथ वर दी फ्रेंड्स. तो उन दोनों ने क्या डिसाइड करा, चलो हम लॉन्ग वॉक करने के लिए जाते हैं. सो दे यूज्ड टू लिव इन अ jungle. So one evening when they decided to go for a walk, they started walking in a jungle. They both started walking in a jungle. When they were moving over there, there was a dense forest. There was a dense forest. Spelling of dense, DENSE. The spelling of dense, DENSE. And forest, FOREST. Dense mean बहुत ही घना जंगल. Means one tree is here, one tree is here, one tree is here, one tree is here. बहुत बड़ा घना सा जंगल. Let's show you in the picture. See, this is the lesson. He is one friend Nitin and he is one friend Rahul. One is Nitin and one is Rahul. These two are the friends and this is the dense forest. Now, when they both started to go on a hiking for a long walk, they started walking. Then there was a dense forest. Forest बहुत ज़्यादा घना था. Now, when you move in the forest, अगर हम forest में कभी जाते हैं parents के साथ, and we know everything about the forest, then we should never leave the hand of the parents. हमको forest में या किसी भी place में अपने parents के साथ अगर हम जा रहे हैं, we should never leave the hand. If we are moving with our friend, then also we should not leave the hand because we don't know about that place. उन दोनों को फॉरेस्ट के बारे में इतना पता नहीं था. बट व्हेन दे मूव ऑन अ वॉक, जो वॉक पे गए, द फॉरेस्ट वाज वेरी डेंस. बहुत घना जंगल था वो. देन व्हेन दे वर वॉकिंग, they heard a growl. they heard a growl of an animal. You must be knowing that which animal used to growl. Growl. Which animal used to growl? It's a bear. It's a bear that we call as bhalu. Bear is the animal who used to growl. So they both heard a growling of a bear. Now they both got scared. Why? Because they thought that so many animals used to live in the forest. बहुत सारे animals forest में रहते हैं. If snake comes, then what we'll do? Other animals will come. ये they both started thinking. Then immediately they heard a growl of a bear. One bear was growling. They got worried. Now we have to do something. अब तो यहाँ से भागने का टाइम आ गया है. Otherwise bear will going to eat it. Otherwise अब तो ये bear मुझे खा जाएगा. Now what they said when they heard the voice, they started running from there. अब तो दोनों ने भागना स्टार्ट कर दिया. बट दैट फॉरेस्ट वॉज वेरी डेंस. वो बहुत घना जंगल था. वो भाग रहे थे बट दे कीप ऑन रनिंग जहां तक उनको आवाज ना आ जाए. बट बेयर वॉज चेजिंग देम. बेयर सोनी को पकड़ना चाह रहा था. एज दे बोथ वर रनिंग, नितिन एंड राहुल, दे फॉरगॉट देयर वेज. एक दूसरी जगह चला गया, एक दूसरी जगह भाग गया. देन when they both were walking, Rahul was walking one side. Rahul एक side में walk कर रहा था. Then when he was running. So the side he was running, he saw a branch hanging. Say, I'll show you what do you mean by branch. This is a big tree. This is the big tree, and these are the branches. These are the branches. So what did Rahul saw? Rahul saw one branch hanging like this from the tree. Like this. राहुल ने क्या देखा कि ट्री में से एक ब्रांच थोड़ा नीचे लटक रही है. सो व्हाट ही थॉट, नाउ ही थॉट टू सेव हिज लाइफ. अब उसने क्या सोचा, अब मुझे भाग के अपनी जान बचा लेनी चाहिए. अदरवाइज आई विल बी killed by the bear. Bear will going to kill me. So it's better to save my life. So what did Rahul did? Rahul jumped on this branch. उसने immediately branch को पकड़ा और फटाफट से पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया. Immediately he moved on the tree. वो पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया. Now he didn't even care for Nitin. Nitin was his friend. Who was Nitin? Nitin was friend of Rahul. But Rahul didn't even care for Nitin. राहुल को नितिन की चिंता ही नहीं थी. उसने कहा मैं अपनी जान बचा लेता हूं पहले. So, but if you are having a friend, you should care for them. अगर हमारा कोई फ्रेंड है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए. उसको क्या करना था राहुल को. दे बोथ हैव सेव देमसेल्व्स टुगेदर. उनको साथ में बचना चाहिए था. बट ओवर हियर राहुल ने क्या करा, उसने तो अपने ही बारे में सोचा. ही इमीडिएटली मूव्ड ऑन द बेंच, ऑन द ब्रांच ऑफ द ट्री. वो तो तुरंत ट्री की ब्रांच पे चढ़ गया. एंड ही डिडंट इवन केयर फॉर द नितिन. उसने नितिन के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं कि अब वो क्या करूंगा मैं. As for saving his life, he moved on the branch. Then what? Nitin was also moving there. As Nitin saw his friend Rahul that he was on the branch. जो नितिन था उसने देखा कि राहुल इज ऑन द ब्रांच. राहुल ने तो अपनी लाइफ को बचा लिया है ऑन द branch. And as Nitin was standing over here, who was on the back? The bear was right standing on the back of Nitin. Because Rahul jumped on the branch and moved on the tree. हमने आपको दिखाया ना पिक्चर में. See, he is Rahul. He came on the top of the branch, and he is Nitin, and here is the bear. Now, as he was not so lucky, अब Nitin तो lucky नहीं था. Why? Because where he was standing, the bear was just back of him. Bear तो उसके कहाँ खड़ा था, पीछे ही खड़ा था. Now he was not having any option. अब उसके पास कोई रास्ता नहीं था. It's better to lay down on the land. उसने अब क्या सोचा, अब तो मुझे यहाँ पे लेट जाना चाहिए. Otherwise I will not be alive. Otherwise मैं बचने वाला नहीं हूँ. Because when the bear is behind me, so he will definitely going to kill me. अगर उसने क्या सोचा, बेयर मेरे पीछे है तो अब तो मुझे मार ही देगा. It's better to lie down on the land. So he immediately bent his face and he lay down on the land. The bear, what did the bear? Come over there and he started sniffing. What did he started? He started sniffing. Now, as who did the Nitin as he slept inside the on the land? What did he did? He did कि now अब I should flatten on the ground. अब मैं ground में लेट जाऊंगा, otherwise मेरे पास कोई रास्ता नहीं है. This bear will going to kill me. As he floated over there, then what did bear? Bear sniffed. Sniff means to smell. Bear is an animal if पर्सन और एनिमल इज डेड. अगर पर्सन और एनिमल मर गया होता है एट दैट टाइम बेयर नेवर ईट्स देम. बेयर उनको खाता नहीं है. बेयर इज द ओनली वन एनिमल लाइक दैट कि अगर वो उसको लाइक दिस इज कॉल्ड स्निफिंग टू मेक अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ साउंड फ्रॉम द नोज. एक नाउज से एयर बाहर थ्रो करना और ऊपर लेना. सो एनिमल यूज टू स्निफ. सो उनके नोज में से हवा ऐसे बाहर निकलना और हवा अंदर आना. टू ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट. सो द बेयर स्निफ्ड like this he sniffed. So just to hear that, is Nitin alive or he is just pretending to be dead? वो जिंदा है या सिर्फ वो नाटक कर रहा है? So what did bear do? Bear sniffed. Spelling of sniffed, SNIFFED. What did bear did? Bear sniffed. Why? Because he just wanted to make sure that what is happening, why he is on the ground. He just want to make it confirm. So he just sniffed to check that he is pretending. Pretending मतलब जताना किसी को कि हम तो बहुत innocent है, but we are not innocent. But over here, what is pretending? That if he will not breathe in and breathe out for a second, अगर वो 1-2 सेकंड के लिए breathe in breathe out नहीं करेगा, and bear will going to smell it like me, अगर उसने उसकी बॉडी को ऐसे स्मेल करा, so what he will feel? He will feel that he is no more. So how he was pretending? Nitin was pretending that he is no more. So the spelling of pretending, pretending. Pretending. Who was pretending? Nitin was pretending like that if he is dead. Dead matlab no more. You cannot survive. D-E-A-D. So as the bear moved near Nitin and he sniffed him, उसने जब जोर से नोज से हवा निकाला, then he was thinking that he is no more. Then after that what happened? Bear was finally stopped. उसने जो sniffing कर रहा था वो sniffing करना उसने stop कर दिया था वहां पे, and he stood over there. This was the first part of our lesson. We'll continue rest in our next session. Now what we'll do in the end, we'll just recall all the spellings together. So we'll read the spelling as well as we are going to speak also. So I am just repeating. You just repeat after me. Nitin. 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 You should learn all these spellings. Number 2 is Rahul. 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 Then number 3 is village. Number 3 is village. 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 Nitin and Rahul were two friends. Who were Nitin and Rahul? They both were two friends. Where they used to live? They used to live in a village. Next is hiking. 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 Hiking means to go for a walk. Number 5 is plan. Plan means to decide to go for somewhere or to make something. हमको कोई चीज करना है तो उसके लिए पहले से plan out करना पड़ता है that we have to do this or we have to do that. So spelling of plant is PLANNED. PLANNED. Plant. Now comes the number of 6. DENSE. 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 Number 7 comes forest, means jungle. Dense मतलब बहुत घना, मतलब 1 tree 2 tree 3 tree, बहुत सारे ट्री साथ में होते हैं कि आपको वहां पे इजीली कोई दूसरा प्लेस नहीं मिलता. You cannot find the other things in the forest. So many trees are over there. That is called the dense. Then the spelling of forest, FOREST. 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 Number 8, growl. GROWL. Which animal growl? Bear used to growl. The spelling of bear is BEAR. 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 Number 10 is sniffed. I told you sniffing means to make a sound from your nose, to give a air out of your nose. That is called sniffed. 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 Now, number 11 is pretending. Pretending means, as I told you, मतलब बताना आप जैसे हैं वैसे नहीं, उसके अलग. Over here, who was pretending? The boy Nitin was pretending as he is dead, but he was not dead. Why he was pretending like that? To save his life. अगर वो ऐसे pretend नहीं करता तो उसका life बच नहीं सकता था. So that's why he was pretending like that he was dead. So the spelling of pretending is PRETENDING. Again we'll repeat. PRETENDING. Pretending. Number 12, DEAD. Dead. Number 12, DEAD. Dead. Now, dead means the person is not alive. Why he was doing all these things? Because they both were good friends. Who were good friends? Rahul and Nitin. But when they heard the voice of a bear in the forest, what they did? They started running. But the Rahul, he didn't care for Nitin. Rahul को नितिन की चिंता नहीं हुई. He saved his own life. उसने अपनी लाइफ बचाने के लिए वो कहाँ चढ़ गया? He moved on the branch of a tree. वो ट्री की ब्रांच के ऊपर चढ़ गया and he didn't get worried for Rahul. Rahul didn't get worried for Nitin. Rahul ब्रांच के ऊपर चढ़ गया और उसको नितिन के बारे में उसने सोचा ही नहीं. That what Nitin will do, what he will going to think for me. Then when Nitin got worried, he stopped at a place. Why? Because he was not so lucky. वो इतना lucky नहीं था कि उसको कोई branch मिले और वो चढ़ के वहां पे चला जाए. Why? Because who was standing? Bear was standing right back of him. उसके पीछे ही bear खड़ा हुआ था. Now he was not having any way go out. अब उसके पास कोई रास्ता ही नहीं था. उसने कहा अब तो मैं बचने वाला नहीं हूँ. Now I cannot survive over here. अब मैं बचूंगा नहीं. It's better to get flattened on the ground. Better thing is that कि मैं अब इस ground पर ही लेट जाऊं. Otherwise I will not be no more. So what he did? He immediately flattened on the ground. वो immediately कहाँ पे गिर गया? Ground में गिर गया. As the bear came over there, bear came and he sniffed like this. When he sniffed, then the breathing in and breathing out voice was not coming. सांस लेने की आवाज और सांस बाहर आने की आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. Why did he do like that? Nitin did like this because bear is the animal who doesn't eat the dead thing, dead animal, dead person. He never eats. So that's why Nitin was pretending like this that he is dead so that he could save his life. वो अपनी लाइफ को बचा रहा था. Should we do like that? If we have a good friend, अगर हमारे good friends हैं, what we should do? We should help each other. हमें एक दूसरे का help करना चाहिए. Our friend is not having a pencil, so what we should say? नहीं, मैं अपनी pencil नहीं दूंगी आपको और मैं अपना pencil नहीं दूंगा. No. What we should say? Okay, I'm having two. One you take, one I take. That is the true friendship. That is the true friendship if you are sharing your things with them, and if that your person is in any trouble, अगर आपका जो person friend है वो किसी trouble में है, so what you should do, you should save him, और हर हमें उसको उस ट्रबल से बचाना चाहिए एज मच एज वी कैन डू. इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि नहीं उसके ही पीछे लग जाना है, नो नॉट लाइक दैट बेटा, बट यू शुड केयर फॉर देम बिकॉज फ्रेंडशिप इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल थिंग यू कैन से. बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है दैट ट्रू फ्रेंड्स आर लाइक दैट वन ऑलवेज केयर्स फॉर द अदर. एक जो ट्रू फ्रेंड्स होते हैं वो हमेशा एक दूसरे का केयर करते हैं. बट ओवर हियर डिड द टू फ्रेंड्स वर केयरिंग फॉर ईच अदर? नो, द टू फ्रेंड्स वर नॉट केयरिंग फॉर ईच अदर. इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट वन ऑफ देम सेव्ड हिज ओन लाइफ फ्रॉम द बेयर रादर देन टू हेल्प द अदर. उनमें से एक ने क्या करा, अपनी लाइफ तो बचाने के लिए वो पेड़ पे चल गया और उसने दूसरे की लाइफ के बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. He didn't even thought that what my friend will going to do, how he is going to survive from the bear. He didn't even think for him and he saved his own life. Here's our lesson get over. What you have to do, you have to just go through the lesson, read once and just remember the new words. Let's recall them again. We'll just read it, okay? Number one is Nitin. Then Rahul. Number 3 is village. Who used to live in the village? Nitin and Rahul. Number 4 is hiking. Hiking means to go for a long walk. Number 5 is plan. Plan means to prepare something before doing. कुछ काम करने से पहले decide कर लेने का that what we are going to do. Number 6 is dense. Dense means बहुत ही ज्यादा घना जंगल. One tree is here, one tree is here, one tree is here, that you could not find the way properly. That is called the dense. Forest, as I told you, it means jungle. Growl, which animal growls? It's a bear which is used to growl. Sniffed, sniffed, as I told you, the noise made from the nose. The noise that is made from the nose is known as the sniffed. Then number 11 is pretending. Number 11 is pretending. Pretending मतलब to pretend. जैसे आप नहीं है वैसा अपने आप को बताना. That is called pretending. Who was pretending over here? The boy Nitin was pretending that he is no more so that he can save his life. Who was pretending? Nitin pretend कर रहा था. Why? So that he can save his life from bear. Next one is dead. How he was pretending? Nitin was pretending as he is dead. Nitin कैसा pretend कर रहा था? As he is dead. Why Nitin was doing all these things? Because he could not save his life from the bear. वो अपनी life को बचा नहीं पा रहा था bear से. So he find out the way to be pretend as he is no more. उसने क्या सोचा कि मैं अपने life को ऐसा करता हूँ कि मैं अब no more हूँ और मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए breathe in नहीं करता हूँ. बट वी शुड नॉट ट्राई दिस. हमको ब्रीद इन और ब्रीद आउट करना, ब्रीद इन करना कभी भी नहीं स्टॉप करना चाहिए. वी शुड डू द ब्रीदिंग. दिस इज द जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ अ स्टोरी. दिस is just a story, but breathe in and breathe out is a very good thing. That is the natural process that God has given us, so we should not do anything over there. This is the just part of the story. Nitin was doing like this just to save his life. Why Nitin was doing? Just to save his life, because his friend was not helping him. Who was not helping him? His friend was not helping him to survive. He saved his own life and he jumped on the branch of the tree and moved above the tree, and Nitin left alone. Nitin तो अकेला रह गया था. For the survival of his life, he have to get flattened on the ground just to save his life. उसको अपनी लाइफ बचाने के लिए नीचे गिर ही जाना पड़ा, because that was the only way to save his life. वो एक ही रास्ता था जिससे वो अपनी लाइफ को सेव कर सकता था. Otherwise he couldn't live more. Otherwise उसका लाइफ आगे तक बढ़ नहीं सकता. So what is the moral that we get from the story? The moral that we get from the story is we should always care for our friends. अगर हमारे friends हैं तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए? हमेशा हमें एक दूसरे की केयर करनी चाहिए. Now let's do a small part of reading. एक छोटा सा part reading करते हैं from the textbook. The same that we have done. There were two friends in a village. विलेज में कितने फ्रेंड्स थे? एज वी हैव डन, 2 फ्रेंड्स, फुल स्टॉप. Their names were Rahul and Nitin. Their names were Rahul and Nitin, full stop. One day, comma, they planned to go on a hiking. उन दोनों ने प्लान करा that we should go on a hiking, as I told you, in the woods, means forest. They packed their bags and went on. उन्होंने अपने backpacks करे and they went on. One evening, while walking through a dense forest, they heard a bear's growl. They hear a bear's growl. Then they were very scared. वो दोनों बहुत ज्यादा डर गए थे. And started to run away. और उन्होंने भागना शुरू कर दिया. As I told you in my story. Worried Rahul was saw a low branch. Rahul was worried and he saw a low branch hanging from a tree. So what he decided? He decided to go over that branch. He quickly caught hold of the life-saving branch. वो उसके लिए उसकी लाइफ बचाने की ब्रांच थी. So he quickly hold it and climbed on the top. और तुरंत ही ऊपर चढ़ गया of the tree as soon as possible. जितना जल्दी possible था. He was so scared that he did not even look at his friend once. इतना डर गया था कि अपने फ्रेंड को उसने देखा ही नहीं. Nitin, who was behind, Nitin, his friend who was behind, was not so lucky. The bear was right behind him, and when he saw that Rahul had saved himself, all he could think of doing to throw himself flat on the ground. And that's how the bear found him, full stop. Nitin face down on the ground and not even daring to breathe. The bear put his nose close to Nitin's ear and then sniffed, was trying to make whether he was pretending or he was dead. That was the story that we read. What he was doing? He was pretending. कौन pretend कर रहा था? Nitin was pretending that he is alive, that he is not alive, he is no more. Why he was pretending? That was the way to save his life. वही एक रास्ता था अपनी लाइफ को बचाने का. That's why he was doing like that. वो इसीलिए ऐसा कर रहा था. If he would not do like that, अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करता, then what would happen? The bear must have killed him. तो bear ने उसको बता खा जाता उसको bear. Why he was doing like that? He was doing like that because he saw that his friend couldn't wait for him. उसने क्या देखा कि मेरा जो friend है वो मेरे लिए वेट ही नहीं कर रहा है. He jumped on the branch of a tree. वो दूसरी ही ट्री की ब्रांच पे चढ़ गया and he didn't wait for me. So that he felt very bad. नितिन को बहुत बुरा लगा कि मेरा फ्रेंड, we are two good friends, हम हमेशा साथ में रहते हैं, we used to play together and my friend is not even thinking for me. मेरा फ्रेंड जो है वो मेरे बारे में सोच ही नहीं रहा है. Why he is doing like that? Now I don't have any option. I am going to lay myself on the ground. अब मैं इस लैंड पे लेट जाता हूँ and pretend to be that I am no more. Maybe my life will be saved or my life will not be saved. Like this, what we get, the moral was that we should care for our friends. We should never fight with our friends. And what you have to do, you have to go through all the words. आपको ये सारे words अच्छे से learn कर लेने हैं because these are the spellings which are very important for you to learn. The lesson was the friends. Friendship is the very, very, very beautiful thing that we have in our life. We should never say lies to our friends because friends are the most precious gift that God has given. And God ने जो हमको friends दिए हैं वो बहुत precious gift है. Friendship बनाने में we make so much time. Friendship बनाने में बहुत ज्यादा time लगता है. But to broke up the friendship को तोड़ने में time नहीं लगता है. So what we should do? We should try hard to do the good thing with the friends. To make up your friendship, it doesn't mean कि आपको friend के लिए सारा work कर रहा है. But be loyal, be truthful person. हमेशा सच बोलने का और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ कभी भी नेगेटिविटी नहीं लाने का. बी काम एंड हैव अ गुड फ्रेंडशिप विद योर friends, then only your friendship will be good and you won't be having any problem while in your friendship.